What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why, despite the bunch of good news, this asset doesn't go higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you one less risky setup, less risky long setup for this asset for upcoming week. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point when this asset hit for the first time right after this movement to the upside the range of about 10 cents price point, and right now we are hovering right above this range again. And I have to say that it might be quite interesting setup with a tight stop loss, not more than several percent, and with a quite good risk to reward ratio. And I have to say that previously I made a call that you could enter your long position right here at 10 cents price point with the anticipation that we can hit this range of resistance or hit some higher targets depending on its price action. And right after I made my video at that point, we had the rollover to the downside, but then we bounced back immediately. And from this range, depending on your exit point, you could make, let me show it to you. You could make up to 32% of potential profit to this range, or you could make about 20% of potential profit when this asset could hit your stop loss order. And definitely this asset still has some good setups, but most of them are on the short side. And I will show you my thoughts in just several minutes, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that we have the latest announcement, latest news that was made yesterday, that Mullen to begin testing new battery technology in Q4 2023. And key bullets are following. Mullen Automotive will begin testing its solid-state battery in its Class 1 electric vehicle cargo van during the fourth quarter. The battery is expected to provide a single charge range of over 200 miles. Mullen stock is down more than 65% year to date. So, let me show you this news on their website. And right here, first of all, let me quote you these bullets. Class 1 commercial EV cargo vans to be outfitted with Mullen's solid-state polymer battery technology, increasing current range from 110 miles to more than 200 miles on a single charge. The first Class 1 EV cargo van test vehicles with the solid-state polymer technology will be hitting the roads for testing by Q4 2023. So, another deadline for the major milestone. But why in the world they have this announcement, they disclosed this announcement, and how they will handle it? Let me show you that they mentioned about the Likan Guchang Holding Group company, and let me quote you this. The Likan Guchang Holding Group company partnership with Mullen brings next generation LH solid-state battery technology to the forefront of vehicle production. Our partnership accelerates the world's use of solid-state polymer battery technology, and so on and so forth. So, let me show you that back in the days, in 2022, I've told you that I couldn't find this company in internet, and if you want to do the same due diligence, just type in Google search bar Likan Guchang Holding Group and just press enter. Right here you will find the news related to Mullen Automotive only, and we don't have any mentions at all without word Mullen. And if we type minus Mullen, you will not find any news where you can see the name of this company. This means I still stand on my position that this company is not real. And if you have any information about this company, please drop me a line in the comment section and give me a link on this on their website. And that is why I think this news is irrelevant news, and it cannot drive the price of Mullen Automotive higher. On top of that, they stated that they want to put this solid-state polymer battery into their Class 1 EV cargo van. But I have to say that one of the main downsides, one of the main cons of this technology is extremely high price. And as you can see, if you type in Google search bar solid-state battery cost, you can find that the solid-state battery prices are estimated to range from $800 per kilowatt hour to $400 per kilowatt hour by 2026, compared to the liquid electrolyte batteries, which are currently at around $156 per kilowatt hour. This means this news, in my opinion, might be quite controversial, because with this type of battery inside this van, and this van should be extremely cheap, because these vans should earn money for their owners, and with their solid-state battery pack, they might be useless vehicles from the business standpoint. That is why, in my opinion, it is another evidence that probably they will not implement this technology, if they have any, into this van in a near-term perspective. On top of that, let me show you that previously Mullen Automotive stated that they want to implement this technology into their second generation Mullen 5 EV crossover, and they intended to test this technology in their prototype in 2025. This means I have a lot of doubts that they have this technology at all, and this means this news cannot be the real catalyst for this asset. But on the other hand, let me show you some positive signs. First of all, let me show you the David Michuri's Twitter account, and right here you can see several tweets on April the 5th, and he reposted the tweet from Mullen Automotive that award-winning design with approachable luxury interiors and unparalleled performance. Don't just take our word for it. Reserve your Mullen 5 now at this link. And I have to say that it is quite interesting, but some people have a lot of problems with the reservation of their Mullen 5 vehicle, and some people experiencing some problems with the refund of $100 from the company. And definitely it is not the best experience, but in general I have to say that David Michuri recently published a lot of tweets, and probably they are ramping up their marketing efforts, and probably it might be the sign of something big ahead of us. And this something big might be disclosed in upcoming days or weeks. And I don't think that they will disclose the actual date, the actual production date for any of their vehicles, because they have no money to make this happen. They have to collect much more money that they have right now in order to start to produce just one vehicle, for example Mullen 5 or this type of vans. And right now the only action that they might do is just to buy these type of vehicles, these vans, from the Chinese manufacturer and resell it to other companies, and nothing more. And do you want to be an investor in this type of company? I don't think that it is a good choice. But it is what it is, and we have a lot of support from retail community, and that is why this asset still has decent chances to go higher. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from the 10 cents price point, we might have quite tight stop loss at the range of about, let me show it to you, a range of about $9 mark, and it implies not more than 10.5% of downside potential, because if this asset breaks 10 cents and 9 cents, we will see much lower price action in foreseeable future. But if these two ranges hold, we might see the next spike in its price, with anticipation that David Michuri and Mullen Automotive will publish some major news, and I don't know what type of news it might be, but with this anticipation, definitely this range of 10 cents might be quite decent accumulation point if you realize all the risks involved with the process of buying this particular stock. And the upside potential is still the same, pretty much the same. It is several previous swing highs, and it might be up to 67% and 38% of upside potential. But in the best case scenario, it might hit these two ranges of resistance at 73.66% of potential profit and about 100% of potential profit in the medium term perspective. This means if you are risky enough, you can buy some shares, but be very cautious. This asset is not for the long-term holders. It is just for the speculative bets based on basically rumors related to this company. And I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star